Mabuhay Madayaw. I am Cybel T. Bustamante and I am from the Group 12. And our topic is Region 11, the Southern Mindanao or the Davao region. So, our objective is to know the area and location of the Southern Mindanao or the Davao region. Second is geographical profile and characteristic of Davao Region 11. Last one is to know the different tourist attraction, economy, culture, people, and their food delicacies. So, Davao region is located in southern part of Mindanao, Philippines. It is one of the country most progressive and agricultural rich region, and it is land allocation and composition. The region has a total area of approximately 20,000 plus square kilometers and consistent of 5 provinces. So these 5 provinces include the Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Occidental, and the Davao Oriental. Its regional center is Davao City, one of the largest and safest cities in the Philippines. So, geographical profile, Davao region is located again in the southern part of Mindanao. It is known for its diverse landscape, from mountains and forests to coastal areas and islands. So, geographic or landform, Davao region has varied landform. Mountain ranges includes the Mount Apo, or 2,954 meters above the sea level. Plateaus and valleys, fertile lands ideal for agriculture. Coastal plain, especially in Davao Oriental and Davao Occidental, river system important for irrigations and transport. So let's proceed to Davao de Oro, one of the provinces here in Region 11. So Davao de Oro, their economy and resources is both agricultural and minerals. So we have their agricultural, we have the rice, the banana, coconut, and cacao. It is located in boundaries in the north Agusan del Sur, east from Davao Oriental, west is from Bukidnon, south and Davao del Norte, and its central town or capital is Nabunturan. So, it is important for Davao de Oro is the region is located in the southern Mindanao. It was formerly known as Compostela Valley before being renamed in 2019. So their culture and people is a mix of migrant and indigenous group like the Lumad. Their language spoken is Cebuano, Tagalog, and a local dialect. And the Davao de Oro tourist attractions, we have Mainit Hot Spring. It is known for its natural heated mineral waters, believed to help relax muscles and improve circulations, promote health and wellness tourism in the provinces. The second one is the Awo Falls. Its natural heritage and beauty, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the provinces, surrounded by the lush forest, represent the rich biodiversity of Davao de Oro. And we have the food delicacies of Davao de Oro. We have the bibingka. It's traditional Filipino baked rice cake made from the galapong or ground fermented rice or coconut milk and sugar. So, there is a Davao. We have the bibingka. It's very natural for us, but the bibingka is signature food for Davao de Oro. The second one is the banana covered with bacon, a signature dish from Pantukan. This combines savory bacon with sweet, ripe bananas. Third one is the halo-halo. Halo-halo is a famous dessert from Davao de Oro. A stopover in Davao de Oro, widely known for its creamy halo-halo and topped with homemade ice cream. And the last one is the grilled seafood. And Davao de Oro is known for its freshness, smoky flavor, and rich local taste. So it's very common for us to hear grilled seafood because right now there's a lot of restaurants that they offer grilled seafood. So the
Welcome
next
to Davao del Norte. Let's talk about Davao del Norte. This province is located in Davao region in Mindanao and its capital is Tagum City. Ang Davao del Norte po is known for its rich agriculture land. Kaya maraming banana at coconut plantation dito. Maganda rin ang climate niya because it is tropical, meaning warm and sustainable for farming almost the whole year. And one of the most popular attraction here is Samal Island. Sikat ito for its white sand, beaches, and clear waters, perfect for swimming and relaxing. Another attraction is Energy Park Tagum. This place is great for recreation. Pwede kang mag-relax, mag-enjoy sa nature, and may music-themed areas din siya. So, let's proceed for food delicacies. Of course, hindi mawawala ang food sa Davao del Norte. It's also known for delicious snacks like ginanggang, which is grilled banana na may margarine at sugar. Meron din panyalam, a sweet fried delicacies na parang small pancakes. And the daral, a native delicacies na parang crepe filled with sweet coconut. Next naman po, we have the Davao del Sur. This province is located in southeastern part of Mindanao and part siya ng Davao region. The capital of this province is Digos City. Davao del Sur is known for its beautiful landscapes. May mountains, coastal areas, and fertile lands kaya very sustainable siya for agriculture and tourism. And the tourist attraction, one of the most famous attraction here is Mount Apo, which is the highest mountain in the Philippines. Perfect ito for hiking and adventure lovers. Makikita rin dito ang Philippine Eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, na talagang pride ng bansa natin sa Pilipinas, diba? And let's proceed for the food delicacies of Davao del Sur. When it comes to food, Davao del Sur is known for fresh and delicious dishes like kinilaw na tuna, which is raw fish mixed with vinegar and spices. Meron din durian na very famous fruit in Davao. Medyo strong ang smell pero super creamy ang sweet. Other delicacies include adobong pusit and grilled tuna belly na talagang must try because of their rich flavor. And welcome to Davao Occidental. This province is located in southwestern part of Davao region in Mindanao. It is known for its peaceful environment and natural beauty. The area has a tropical climate, so expect warm weather and rain throughout the year, which is very good for agriculture and marine life. And the tourist attraction, one of the most visited places here is Balot Island. It is beautiful volcanic island na kilala for its white sand beaches, clear waters, and relaxing views. Perfect for those who love nature and quiet places. Another attraction is Mount Tamban. This mountain is great for trekking and adventure. If you enjoy hiking, this is perfect spot dahil sa ganda ng panoramic views. So, the food delicacies, of course, let's talk about food. One of their specialties is sinugbang isda, which is grilled fish cooked over charcoal. Simple pero very flavorful. They also have banana chips, which is a popular pan sa lobong. Crispy siya and perfect snack habang nagtra-travel. And the next region is Davao Oriental. This province is located sa eastern part ng Davao region here in Mindanao. The land area and terrain, ang Davao Oriental has the total land area of around 5,679 square kilometers. Ang terrain niya is very diverse. May coastal plains, mountain range na part ng eastern Mindanao at marami ring forest areas and valleys. So the tourist attraction, the first is the Dahican Beach, one of the most famous beaches known for its long white sand and strong waves, perfect for surfing. And the second is the Mount Hamiguitan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its unique Pinsme forest and rich biodiversity. And the third is the Liwagog Falls, isa sa pinakamalawak na waterfalls sa Pilipinas with many beautiful cascading stairs. And the last is Mati, the capital city where you can find most of the tourist spots, resorts, and cultural sites. And also the food delicacies. Of course, hindi mawala ang pagkain, the ginatang bilo-bilo, a sweet dessert made of chewy rice balls cooked in creamy coconut milk with banana, sweet potato, jackfruit, and tapioca pearls. Perfect ito lalo na kapag maulan, very comforting. And the delicacies food is the kinilaw na isda, fresh fish, marinated in vinegar, calamansi, and spices, very fresh and flavorful. Kaya favorite ito ng marami.